warm, fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still dividing. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That was good.
Did I mention that there's a cookie exchange tonight?
Yeah, because there's a holiday cookie exchange party in town. So, I hope I get these done. I'm still running back and forth to check Susie. So, maybe she'll save me the social anxiety of tonight and she'll actually, you know, break her water. And then we can deliver baby goats and then I can just pick up my cookies later. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna jack this up into high speed. I was making snowball cookies. They're supposed to have pecans in them, but I didn't have any, so I used coconut instead. They ended up being quite delicious, and I think I made around 3 dozen of them. I did end up going to the cookie exchange, and it just, I don't know, I ended up leaving without even taking my cookies, and that's just how autism is sometimes. But some nice neighbors gave me some cookies later, so that was cool. First batch, getting ready to go in, and then I gotta start on some more. Cookie exchange, I've got all my cookies, and I'm headed out the door. The exchange party had really cute Grinch decorations, just about every cookie known to man, and they also had a really neat hot cocoa bar. But yeah, I still bailed. This is me doing what so many of us have been doing, and that's filling out holiday cards. I absolutely love that Smith Island has basically a card exchange every year. You fill out your cards, you take them to the church basement, and then everybody collects their piles, which I think is super cool. This year, of course, I lost the list. I could have stressed myself out digging it up, but I didn't. Instead, I just filled out all the cards that I could based on memory, and I definitely missed some people, but I just couldn't overload my brain any more than it already was. Yeah, so that's how it went. So, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All the way home I'll be warm, fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still dividing. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That was good. Here he comes, he's coming home. He had me so worried. Boat is now back, but it was gone for a little while. He took off and left both phones. Where were you?
I was cleaning my bottom off.
And left both phones.
I know it.
You're in so much trouble.
Aww. I think everybody forgives me.
This is how he hugged the dog first.
I know it.
You're still in so much trouble. Happy holidays, everybody! I have been trying to make a decent vlog for the past couple weeks. First, I wanted to make one about my goat having her first baby, and she was in labor for a really long time. I thought her ligaments kind of went back together, and now we're just kind of waiting for her labor to pick back up again. So it's all right, we're all good. Ready? So while Terry and I are waiting for that vlog to happen, we decided that we would just take you guys around Smith Island and show you the beautiful holiday light display. All right, let's go. So love the Christmas tree, and their blow up snowman actually plays Christmas songs. You put your window down, honey. Look.
If the wind lets it stay up.
Yeah. I think everybody that's had inflatables has struggled this year.
Yeah.
Our beautiful bird watching pavilion up here, and this is where the town tree lighting happens. This is an absolutely gorgeous spot if you guys are visiting Smith Island. Beautiful bird watching right there. They did a great job. And I love the traditional big Christmas bulbs on the tree. I love that. It's very 80s. It is just after sunset. I'm sorry, our heat is so loud. Yeah, there you go. It
worked on a high.
It is just after sunset, and you can see the residuals of the color in the sky. Beautiful purples. I love the sunsets over here. About this one because I haven't seen it yet. What is this called?
This is my cousin's Airbnb.
What does she call it?
The Island Time B&B.
Island Time. There we go. Put the window down.
Oh, you see it. Oh, that's pretty. That's the hot tub.
Yeah, she's got the hot tub set up right there.
Oh, that would be fun tonight.
On a nice cold night, yeah, actually it might be fun to do a hot tub. I love the Christmas
Wow,
trees.
they got it lit up nice. Island Time Airbnb.
So
There's the sun.
beautiful.
There it is.
Look at that. I might not be able to see it in the dark here. I can focus in, but that's hard to see.
See it through my brake light. Well, if you want to stay on Smith Island, the island with the multiple people, the island time, the Island Time Airbnb.
That's right. Beautiful house.
It's huge.
Gorgeous. This is one of the homes that the tornado actually, it actually took off the entire third floor.
They just renovated it.
Yeah, they had just renovated it, and that tornado that we had a few years back took off that entire third floor, so it had to be redone again. They've done an amazing job. It's beautiful. This is one of my favorite pastimes because my parents used to always take me out riding around the neighborhood and around our town to see Christmas lights.
Me too.
Yeah. We had a smaller town than what I had growing up, but I love it. I love seeing everybody's lights, everybody being so festive. It's awesome.
It's decorated.
Got some stairs lit up.
Yeah.
I love the snowman. Look, and the dog.
It's starting to get southern of traffic.
Oh my gosh. Look.
Got his Santa Claus on. Oh, he took him
Yeah.
off.
No, he's right there on the porch.
Oh, they moved him.
Yeah.
No, it was another one.
Oh, yeah.
That was him.
Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. They've got a tree set up too. Nice.
Yeah, they had him on the roof. They took him off. Must be like one of those solar lights. They used to do that whole trailer.
I like their inflatable. Aww. That's so cute.
Oh, good reef.
I know, their lights look great. Got fixed. It's a Christmas miracle.
You gotta film this.
Here we go. Woo! That is a beautiful
You
spot.
should get out and film the whole thing.
I will get out.
It'd be a big
You guys
thing.
have an awesome bridge here for fishing. Look at this house. Amazing. Our rec center lit up.
Yeah, they blowed out. You got your phone, do you? Because she's probably trying to call you.
It's got
Snowflakes?
Snowflakes.
Oh my God, that looks good on that house. Look at them snowflakes.
yeah. That's working.
Really nicely decorated.
Alright, now we're getting to the sweet spot here. I love the red and green on this side, and gotta hand it to the bakery this year. They really outdid themselves, and I'm a sucker for the gingerbread theme. I love that. I always have. Hansel and Gretel is one of my all-time favorite fairy tales. So I love the gingerbread and gingerbread houses. So cute. They even did it on the door. I love that. And then they set up this tree. Very cool. And then they've got their cross and nativity. I love the angel on top. That's cool. Yeah. Lit zone. All right. Love it. Love, love, love. Oh, I love it. See, everybody did the trees this year. Awesome. Here's another one.
Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel.
We did a pretty good job considering the
Wind.
the wind and the plug situation. Here, turn the lights out real quick, sweetheart. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. See? Wasn't that nice?
Just flowed right out, didn't it?
That's right.